I've had enough of your cunning openings. I've spent a lot of time learning all the tricky openings. I'm ready for absolutely any of your trick. Any trick? Absolutely anything. Give me some time. I've got something in store for just such an occasion. Make your move and go wherever you want. I don't want the game to be aborted. I'm totally ready to kick your ass. Where is it? Where did I leave it? Oh, found it. Come on. Let's go. What is this? This is the first time I see such an opening. This bastard is planning something again. But his move makes absolutely no sense. Not only did he deprive himself of castling, but he also locked his bishop. What kind of opening is this? Some kind of Darkholme Harrington gambit? Who's there? It doesn't matter what it is. It's time to pay for your disrespect. Pawn. Capture the center.
Hello there.
That's the child!
How about I do anyway?
Any last words?
Oh. I'm under check. I think I'll go back.
No, if you move back, the bishop will kill my queen. Pawn. Block the diagonal.
Since when are you in command here?
What else can I do? I can't go to any fucking square. My king, give me permission to leave the operation for the total humiliation of the Black King.
I'm really hungry. I'm going to order a pizza. Bishop, do what you want. I nominate you as my right hand.
But we're always standing still for half the game. Why don't you let one of us to command for a while?
Shut up. It's time for my simp to prove himself. Go for it, Bishop.
Pawn, do what I said.
Mommy, I'm scared!
Knight, take the center.
Queen. Move a bit. I really want to make an 000 move. Just like he did in the last episode.
But White sacrificed his queen in the last episode.
Don't be afraid. I'll protect you.
Okay. Here's our chance. It's time to equalize the odds. We've already lost castling, but we can take it away from Black. Queen, attack the enemy queen.
But then the Black King will take me. Why don't I just stand back, and in return I'll give you a discount on my OnlyFans.
Oh, I guess protecting her wasn't the best idea.
It's time to take over the center with the rook, just like in the last episode. Come on, Black Squared brother, clear the way.
I heard what you just said. The mental link only works between kings and his pieces. Look. Rook to me. And you didn't hear anything. So be careful what you say about your plans.
It doesn't matter that you can hear my commands one move ahead, because I've calculated all the possible options 10 moves ahead. And now you're going to say, impossible, no one can calculate all the options.
Impossible. No one can calculate all the options.
NANI?
Wait, was that a JoJo reference?
And now I'll get rid of the most dangerous piece in chess. The white squared bishop. Pawn, attack.
Oh no!
I'm coming for that sweet ass, cause it's good.
Come on. One more pawn move and your bishop will be locked up.
What if I just make room for the bishop?
Oh, Sokka, you saved me!
Advance! I said advance, goddammit!
Yes, sir.
Damn, my bishop is absolutely useless. We should attack the e-pawn.
Roger that.
There's your main mistake. Secret technique. En passant.
What kind of move is that? Are you cheating?
Yes.
Really?
No.
I should take advantage of the fact that the White King is stoned and can't move. Maybe I can win on time. Knight, check him. That's not fair. You can't control the king.
Did you forget? The king appointed me as his right hand. And the right hand controls any man's life, at least until he was about 18.
Oh, I get it. Still. Secret technique. Castling. Artificial castling.
I don't care. Rook, pin that horse. We have a better position, I can just go to the late game.
Let's see how you get to the late game when I have an extra pawn. Knight, take that pawn.
Your greed has ruined you. And the late game is coming right now, because someone is going to bed soon. Checky checky.
Help me!
Okay. Checky checky.
Help me!
I'm in danger.
Get the fuck out of here, bitch!
Yamete kudasai.
Final move. Rook, put him to sleep.